Here's our first.
Andyan yung gloves ko. They're in the bike lane.
Ay, bike lane. So they are very strict, no? Bike lane, no? Then if you observe pedestrian, huh? Lawak. Pedestrian. Then yung car, only 2 lanes. May mga parking siya in between. But very liberal yung space for biking, pedestrian. So we're staying in this Airbnb. Maganda so far, the best Airbnb. Then there's a store, Eurospar. Busy yung dalawa, oh. They're busy checking on their cell phones to check on our direction. Okay. Lawak, welcome to Vienna, Austria. So far, no? Very neat, clean, organized city. The first na medyo impressive na Western European city. Of course, first kita nang bumagsak kami dito eh. Nauna sa Eastern Europe. But very nice. Very, very nice, no?